Off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up the dough, I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la, la la la. I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la, la la la. I was try like that. Hey man.
We got the truck packed tight over here, guys. Got the U-Haul over there packed up. I'll show you that in a second. Ooh, almost fell off the truck there. House is finally framed, but we're taking a weekend off. We're about to hit the first Bikelife Sports track event of the season. Love these events, been going for about 4 years. It's always a fun time. Just gotta cross our fingers that the weather holds for us. We're about to make our way to upstate New York over here. Go yours off first. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it to him. Just give me the front brake. Yeah. So we had a little morning, had to go to Walmart, get some supplies for today. And now we're back. It's literally like 80 up here. It's crazy. It's like a summer day. We are about to go for a little test ride around the neighborhood out here, just because it's so nice out and the weather's looking like possibly rain tomorrow. But we are crossing our fingers and hoping for some decent weather. But let's I'm about to strap the GoPro up and we're gonna go for a little putt around here. Nothing crazy, probably just a little 20-minute ride. We don't want to piss anyone off, you know, step on too many toes out. What? I'm gonna try some diamonds. So Sunday morning, we got lucky with the rain. It's not raining right now. We are packing up, leaving the Airbnb. Best Airbnb we've ever had. It was beautiful. And we're about to have ourselves a day at the track, Bikelife Sports. Pumped. Uh-oh, phone's calling, so that's who we're meeting up with right now. So I'll catch you at the track. Working the spatula. Pulled over for a quick restroom break. Had a solid day. The Bikelife Sports ride today. Sadly, at the end of the day, it started raining, and then it stopped. I took the 450 out, and it started leaking oil. So we're gonna take a look at that when we get home. Hopefully, it's nothing major. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll probably be hitting another one of them this year.